This is Just Jasmine stamp set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 inch clear stamp set containing 19 individual stamps. Embrace your inner princess with these adorable layered florals. Featuring both an outline and layering images, this stamp set is sure to delight as you create beautiful branches of sweet jasmine flowers. Although jasmine is typically white or yellow, don't let that stop you from creating stunning flowers in your favourite colour combinations. The included heartfelt sentiments will finish off your handmade projects perfectly. Just Jasmine is a high-quality photopolymer stamp set made in the USA. For more information and fresh inspiration using Just Jasmine stamp set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.